when she finds out that there are millions of flowers that look just like her, it will break her heart.
Good morning.
I thought I was rich. I thought I had the most unique flower in all the world. But all I had was a common rose and 3 volcanoes that came up to my knees, and one of them was extinct at that. That doesn't make me a very great prince, does it?
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're a prince?
Yes.
I'm a fox.
I'm sad. Would you play with me?
No.
Why not? It'll be fun.
Where are the others?
What others?
The other hunters.
There's no one here but me. Please play with me. I won't harm you.
Then why do you have a gun?
I don't have a gun.
You must have a gun. You're a human being.
I'm from another planet.
Aren't there guns on your planet?
No.
Really? Are there hunters on your planet?
No.
Any chickens?
No.
Oh, well, nothing's perfect.
Let's play hide and seek.
I can't play with you. I'm not tamed.
What do you mean tamed? Can't you stay put? I'm getting dizzy.
Sorry. I just don't wish to become extinct.
Do you mean if I move, you will disappear again?
Of course.
Why?
You're a human being. I'm a fox. I hunt chickens. You hunt foxes.
But I don't.
You're a human being and you also lie.
But I don't lie.
Then you're inhuman. To be tamed. Let me know before you move. See if this will clear it up. Underneath the prince, you're a little boy, just like 1.5 million other little boys. I'm a fox, just like 1.5 million other foxes. But if you tame me, I won't be like all the other foxes, and you won't be like all the other little boys. I'll be unique to you, and you'll be unique to me. You understand?
Sort of. Where are you?
You moved!
I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
I have a very monotonous life. I hunt chickens. Men hunt me. They come, I hide, they leave, I come out. That's all. But if you tamed me, everything would be different. Even the wheat fields.
The wheat fields?
Of course. I don't like bread, so I don't care about wheat. Wheat is the color of gold, like your hair. So if you tamed me, I'd start to care about wheat because it would remind me of you.
I'm going to sit down. What would I have to do?
Well, every day, you would come and sit where you're sitting now. You'd always come at the same time, at, let's say, 4 in the afternoon. I could start to get excited about 3 o'clock. If you came at any old time, I wouldn't have a chance to get keyed up.
But what would I do at 4 o'clock?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Of course not. If you did anything, then I'd get frightened and I wouldn't come out. It's like this. At first, I'll hide behind the trees. Trembling. As I do in winter. In time, I'll start to feel at ease. show my face, and we'll begin to get closer and closer and closer. We'll go a glance at a time, a small advance at a time. We'll be afraid a bit and shy a bit, avoid each other's eye a bit less often each day. The ice'll soften each day as we get closer and closer and closer. Blush at a time, a happy flush at a time. Begin to laugh a bit and stare a bit and walk around on air a bit as gaily we grow, as night and daily we grow a little closer and closer and closer. And then one day there'll come a day, a Christmas Eve, midsummer day, a moment when, right there and then, we're gonna touch. Then we'll jump miles at a time, a million smiles at a time. Begin to love a lot and live a lot and give and give and give a lot. Away we will go, and every day we will grow a little closer and 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 closer all the time. One day, there'll come a day, a Christmas Eve, midsummer day, a moment when, right there and then, we're gonna touch. Begin to laugh a bit and stare a bit and walk around on air a bit as gaily we grow, as night and daily we grow a little closer and closer and closer. Closer
and closer
and closer
and closer
and closer and closer and closer and closer all the time.